Yep, that was one of my boys. But that was Ray. He'll probably turn around and come back and see us. This is Highway 66 right here. Route 66, ever heard of it? And it goes right through the middle of our little town. Takes a jog to the north and goes up to Sapulpa, Oklahoma, and then on to Tulsa. Famous route. A lot of motorcycle people come through here. Take this little turn right here. You can really lean into that turn if you wanted to. Come at it pretty quick. And let's see, we get to the gas station down here at the bottom of this hill. And I don't know if we'll have a chance to see the price of gas or not. Maybe I'll slow it down if the camera picks up the price of gas. Nah, can't really see it. I see in my mirror about here that Ray is behind me. So I just jog into one of these driveways. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe and give me a thumbs up and hit the little bell down there, and we'll notify you when I put one of these on. Gonna make a lot of content, and if you enjoy watching motorcycles run around, maybe gonna do some highway driving when it gets a little warmer, and we're gonna work on these bikes from time to time for maintenance and things like that, and we'll try to film some of it. This is an adventure of an old man and a super cub. Come back and see us again if you get time. We appreciate it. There's 4 minutes of your life you'll never get back.